Morning all of you. Now we will have a revision of chapter number 2, components of food, and in this chapter we will have a discussion on the topic vitamins. Yes, vitamins. Vitamins are a group of nutrients. These are the group of nutrients that our body requires in small quantities. Yes, vitamins are required by our body in small quantities, but these are essential for proper working and functioning of our body. These are essential for proper working and functioning of our body. Vitamins may be divided into two groups. They are divided into two groups: fat soluble vitamins and the water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins like your vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K, and the water soluble vitamins like your vitamin B complex and vitamin C. So these vitamins, which are a group of nutrients and required by our body in small quantities and must for proper functioning of our body. There are different vitamins in the food. Let us discuss one by one. First of all, we will have a discussion on vitamin A. Yes, vitamin A. Vitamin A is necessary for good eyesight, healthy skin and hair. Yes, it is necessary for your good eyesight, and deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Yes, loss of vision. If there is a deficiency of vitamin A in our diet, it will causes night blindness. So we should eat vitamin A rich food. So let us find the sources of vitamin A. Okay, like your mango. This is a mango. This is a rich source of vitamin A. In the same way, carrot, fish, liver oil, green vegetables, mango, papaya. These are the different sources of vitamin A. Next vitamin which is present in our food is the vitamin B complex. Actually, it is a group of vitamins like vitamin B1, B2, B3 and B12. It is also necessary for growth and proper functioning of nerves and muscles. Yes, for proper functioning of nerves and muscles, vitamin B complex is must. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi, and the deficiency of vitamin B12 causes anemia. Yes, so we should eat the food which is rich in vitamin B. Yes, and so let us find the sources. Okay, can you tell me what are these? Yes, these are the peas. These are the rich source of vitamin B. In the same way, these are the nuts. These are the rich sources of vitamin B. So liver, eggs, milk, fishes, peas, nuts are the different sources of vitamin B. Next vitamin is your vitamin C. It is also known as ascorbic acid. It is also known as ascorbic acid, and it is necessary for keeping teeth, gums and joints healthy, and it is must for your body to increase your resistance power. It help your body to protect against diseases. It increase the resistance of our body to infection and helps to fight disease. So to increase your resistance power, to protect your body against disease, we should eat vitamin C rich diet. So let us find out. C. What are these? These are the tomatoes and the lemon. These are the rich sources of vitamin C. So all the citrus food like amla, tomato, guava, green vegetables are the sources of vitamin C, and the deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Yes, deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Now our next vitamin which is must for our body is vitamin D. Yes, it is necessary to use calcium for the formation of strong bones and teeth. We need calcium for the formation of bones and teeth now, but this calcium is used by our body only in the presence of vitamin D. So we should eat the food which is rich in vitamin D. So let us find out the sources. So different sources of vitamin D like your milk and milk product, butter, green vegetables and sunlight. Yes, sunlight, because sunlight helps our skin to prepare vitamin D, and the deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. So we should eat food which contain different sources of vitamins like green vegetables and fruits.